Hello everyone. How are you today? Please, I'm excited to share an opportunity to receive 100 Robux for free. If you'd like to claim your free 100 Robux, please make sure to follow all the steps carefully and complete the requirements as instructed. Follow each step correctly. Watch the full video for important details. Don't miss any instructions. Good luck, and I hope you enjoy the reward. Note, rewards are subject to eligibility and successful completion of all required steps. Step 1. Open the Roblox app and scroll down until you find the game shown on your screen. Step 2. Tap on the game to open its page. Step 3. Click the play button and join the game. As you can see, I have opened the game. Now, take a look at this section. Any Robux you earn or receive will be credited to this balance area. Once the Robux has been successfully deposited, it will be available for use on your Roblox account, allowing you to purchase items, game passes, and other in-game content. Make sure to follow all the instructions carefully to ensure you receive your rewards successfully.